Hello everyone. So, the next topic will be about the evaluation of algebraic expressions. Example number 2 is 4 times a minus 3 plus 3 times a plus 2 when a is 5. So, 4 times your value of a is 5. So, 5 minus 3 plus 3 times your a is 5 plus 2. Then, na may parentheses, so ang atong gamiton is PEMDAS. So, kay PEMDAS man, usala man ng PEMDAS, PEMDAS. So, parentheses times, divide, add, and subtract. So, naman tayo parentheses, so unaw na to si parentheses. So, 4, 5 minus 3 is 2, plus 3 times 5 plus 2 is 7. So, sunod, multiplication. So, PEMDAS man, follow the PEMDAS. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 times 7 is 21. So, human naman tag times, wala may divide, proceed ta ni add. So, 8 plus 21 is 29.